Okay, so we have to find the work done by the following two forces. So we have to solve for A and B along R. So R is going to be our distance. And we're given the region. So we're given what T is bounded by. Okay, so to calculate work is equal to the integral from A to B of our force times the derivative of our distance. So let's get our F, which will be the following. So we're going to set our X to be cos of T, and we're going to set our Y to be sine of T. And we're going to get our dr. Dr we're going to get from here. So if we differentiate dr, this is minus sine of T plus cos of T dt. Okay, so we'll just put that into here. And I'll integrate it from 0 to pi. Okay, so this is how we're going to get our work. So we times this and this together because they represent the x-axis. Okay, and then we times these and these together as they represent our y-axis. And then we put the I here. And then now we just integrate this with respect to t. So this would be 1 over 2 cos of squared t from 0 to pi. And this one will be 1 over 2 sine of squared t from 0 to pi. Okay? And we can now get our work. So this one will be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 plus 0 minus 0. And this will just be equal to 0. So our work here is 0. Now let's solve for b. Okay? So it's pretty much the same thing. We use the same integral. So f is, what is our f? 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Okay, and then then we have dr, which is just this whole thing. And we integrate from 0 to pi. So we just times this by this. So this will be our I plus this by this. Okay, and now we just integrate these two, so that's pretty easy. Which will be wait, sorry, this will be minus. No, sorry, never mind. Everything's right. Sorry. Okay, so it'll be minus 1 over 4 cos of pi minus cos of 0 plus 1 over 4 sine of pi minus sine of 0. Okay, so cos of pi, that's just minus 1. And then cos of 0, that's just 1. So it'll be minus 1 minus 1 and that's just minus 2, plus 1 over 4, sine of pi, that's 0, minus 0, so this whole thing is just 0. And then obviously we can clearly see our answer here, it's just going to be minus 1 over 2.